Hi sweetheart, let me show you how I make this real strawberry ice cream, especially if you're not a fan of strawberry but you still love strawberry. First of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephanie. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe to my page. And yes, all I do here is to make life easy. So for our strawberry ice cream, all you need is just 3 ingredients, which is condensed milk, real strawberry, and vanilla extract. So to start with, I'm gonna be showing you how to make condensed milk from scratch. Yes, because I don't want you to spend money unnecessarily. For this recipe, all I need is half cup of condensed milk, and to make half cup of condensed milk, you will be needing not up to half cup of milk and quarter cup of sugar. In a bowl, mix these two together, the sugar and milk together, and mix it very well with your whisk to make sure it combines together. Then pour it in a pan and cook it on a very low heat. Please turn it consistently to avoid having lumps. You have to turn it until the color changes a little bit to something milky and creamy. That means your condensed milk is ready. Put it off the fire and let it cool down. But if by any chance your condensed milk have lumps inside it, so all you have to do is use your whisk and mix it together. But if your whisk can't do it, use your blender and blend it. It will smoothen back very well. On to the next part, which is strawberry time. Please bestie, wash your strawberry. In fact, soak it with vinegar. Get a vinegar, apple cider or white vinegar. Soak your strawberry inside it for about 5 minutes. You will see a lot of particles like ants that will come out from it. It's very dirty. Once that is done, cut your strawberry into smaller pieces. Get a pan or a pot depending on the one that you have. Add quarter cup of sugar and spread it out before adding your strawberry. And we have to let this thing to melt together. And to make the work more easier, I add a little bit of water. This is going to help the strawberry and sugar melt faster. So once the strawberry and sugar has melted together, we have to proceed to sieve it. Now for sieving this, you have to get a very tight ice sieve because we want only the strawberry jam, not the other particle, because we want this ice cream to come out very smooth. In case if you don't like strawberry, you can also eat it. That's what you are trying to achieve. This can go for those that doesn't like strawberry and those that like strawberry. So that's why we only need the jam. You see how smooth this strawberry jam is looking, right? That's what we want to achieve. So on to the next part is mixing our whipping cream. Okay, unlike the last video, I used powdered whipping cream. And a lot of people are asking me, how do I use liquid whipping cream? That's why I choose to use liquid whipping cream on this video. For me to be able to teach you guys how to use your liquid whipping cream. So my love, if you're part of those that asked me this question the last time, how to use your liquid whipping cream, here is the video. If you watch closely when I was putting my liquid whipping cream in the bowl, you can see that it has a lot of lumps inside. That means it's about to get frozen, and that is the secret of using liquid whipping cream. It has to be very cold, very, very cold. If it's not very cold, it will not form. You will just waste your money for nothing, and that thing is very expensive. So you have to make sure it's about to get frozen. That's when you will use it. It will whip very fast and come out very smooth and thick. So after that, I proceed to add my strawberry flavor, of course, because you're making strawberry ice cream, right? Then I also add my condensed milk, which is so creamy and smooth. Mix this together before adding my strawberry jam. So sweetheart, I'm going to let you watch the rest of the video by yourself, but before going, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to answer the question. And please bestie, subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the end of the video. I have a lot of amazing videos up there, like Greek yogurt videos and rest of them. Bye.